Oh, hello and good day. I didn't notice you guys. I got a package. Who is it from? I'm gonna savor these moments and release for tension. I'm going for a jog, and when I snap my fingers, I have been run for a few miles, and see you then. Oop. No peeking, no peeking. Jog first. Oh yes. I came back. I ran about 6.5 kilometers, 4 miles. Oh, ooh! I need some energy drink. I know what some of you thinking. When is it? When is he going to open the package? This video is supposed to be open the package, but he isn't opening the package. He is just drinking and going jogging and not opening the package. Ooh. Okay, let's open it. Where's my knife? Oh, I cannot open it. I need to be presentable in YouTube. I need to go to the shower. See you in a second. Okay, now I'm all dressed up and I don't know, something. Let's open this. Yes, the package, mail. Please do not crush. And they didn't. And it's from Shelley. Well, I just acted surprised. I knew that already. Now, let's open it. Now with a knife. Actually, I just wanted to mention, to be honest and all to you guys, I got a little yeah, okay, let's move on. I forgot what I was saying. I got a stage fright. I was behind the camera about a minute. I just wondered, what the heck? I don't have stage fright. Okay, knife. Stage fright. Wine. Yes. Ow. Ooh, maybe I should do another tipsy chat. Oh yes, knife. Many of you thinking, what's in the box? What's in the box? What could it be? Those are newspapers. Ooh. Happy birthday. Oh yes, my birthday is October the 6th. I might cut this out. I asked Shelley if she wants me to cut this out. Reading her mail, letter, card. Ooh, nice. Birthday wish for a very special friend. Just to tell you that you're special. Ain't that nice? What is this? And that kind of things you do with such thoughtfulness and care really mean a lot. Oh, donation. Wow. 50 Canadian. What are these? I don't know what currency is in Canada, but 50. Thank you, Shelley. Really, thank you. I really appreciate it. Now, let's read on. Yum. I might cut this part out. I don't know. Janne, I hope you enjoy a wonderful birthday, full of hope and laughter, love and laughter, and a lot of the wine. Cheers, Shelley. And thank you other fans too for your support from your, it begins with a thumb up and encouraging comments and watching my videos, and if you really want to, you can have a donation in PayPal or Patreon, but not necessary if you don't want to. You still can be good fan, but really appreciate this, Shelley, and you other guys who have donated and helped me to go on. Happy birthday, Shelley Hines. This is really nice card. Actually, I like this color really much. Reminds me of something in my childhood. Okay. I know it's not my birthday today, it's in a week, but I can't wait. Take this here. Can you guess already? Oh my god! I have dreamed about this. Fedora! You do know that I like Indiana Jones, and my adventures are kind of inspired by Indiana Jones. I mean, a lot, but yes. Oh, it's really headwear inspired by the adventures of the Indy himself. Oh, it's a kind of a copy. I just thought you just chose the one that kind of a look like it, but this is kind of. Oh yes. And it says Indiana Jones. Oh, this is amazing, Shelley. kind of a tight, but oh, I gotta go check the mirror. Wait. Okay. Yes. It was just a little. Everything is tight in the beginning, you know, like shoes and everything. Then they mold out. You just have to wear a few times, like then it stretches. You gotta wear it like this. I wonder if I do some exploration with this on. Would be fun. Check it. Okay, now it's kind of like a brown indie jacket. Indie jacket. How was it? Yes. Thank you, Shelley. This is kind of a wonderful. What else? What else? One confession. You know the barn episode where I almost collapsed down from the upstairs? Before that there was a barn where I found this red car, and there was I needed to fix my Steve's mic. So I stole this part. This is just junk part. It was on the floor of the car or somewhere there. But yeah, I don't know why it's there. I have no idea. What time is it? I don't know. Maybe I should do a live chat. But should I wear the hat on it or not? I don't know. Maybe I should post a video first. I don't know. But I don't want to drag this episode too long. Thank you, Shelley. Thank you all for the gifts. I really appreciate it. Winter is coming, so I noticed that I haven't posted one winter episode that I did live last winter. So I have to post that on the later. But I started to post a Belgian episode, like I said in the Facebook, in the Friday of the 13th. I don't know, hard to say it. Yes. So there will be a lot of Belgian videos. Even the vlog, how I get in the airplane and drive with the car. Even that is when I cut it down to shorter. 45 minutes. I have so much material. I have had like 5 memory cards in GoPros. Each of one was 64 gigabits. And also I had the 2 terabits hard drive with me at the laptop. And also that big camera which I have 3 64 gigabit cards. So I was prepared to do some films, and I did a lot of them, some of them with Exploring and Me channel. So let's end this episode here so it won't be too long. It won't be too long. So please do give a thumb up, even though this is a different channel. I might start doing a cut down episode to this as a bonus to those who have ADHD or something. So maybe that was just an idea. Maybe some people don't have that kind of patience and they want to see a shorter version of the videos. I might do. I do that for the older videos as a bonus in that other channel. I don't know. Maybe, but I can concentrate now on the Belgian videos. So
yeah, please do give it a thumb up, and we'll see you in next episode. I don't know when I do. These are just bonus thingies that I do this channel, but check out my main channel, Urban Exploration with Janne Flink. I guess you know that already. Also, I think that should I rename my channel? I have talked this about before, but it's now Urban Exploration Finland with Janne Flink. But if I start to traveling elsewhere than Finland, so should it be just exploring with Janne Flink? But so many uses that. Josh used that, exploring with Josh, exploring with... There were so many with just exploring and... exploring with so many... It's so common name on the channel now. So if you have a channel name suggestions on my main channel, or I just keep it the old one. But either way, I want my name to keep on the title so everybody recognizes that it's my channel. Okay, we'll see you in next episode. Bye.